Right guys, this is the new RC-ERA UH1, the Huey in yellow and blue, new to us. So let's have a little flight of her. This is its first maiden flight. Managed to get some charge into a battery, so let's see what she does. My first flight of this, so I don't know what's going to happen. Oh, she's got some power, I'll give her that. Wanting to fly forward. Right, let's go for a little bimble. She seems to be holding now. I like to just get them hovering as close to as possible. Just gives me that bit more confidence in the small room, guys, that's all. Yeah, she's flying lovely now. You know, just a couple of clicks in and jobs are good. I love this. I'll have to collect the others now. We haven't had a Huey before, it's our first one, but I am a massive Bell helicopter fan. So, just dancing on a pin there. Try her backwards.